Imagine this. It's Tuesday morning. You wake up, grab your coffee, and check your email. Instead of your normal work messages, you see one subject line. Important update regarding your position. Your heart starts racing. You open it. Due to company restructuring, today will be your last day. Just like that, your paycheck is gone. Health insurance might disappear. Bills don't stop. Your landlord still expects rent. Your car payment is still due. Your family still depends on you. Now ask yourself one question. If that happened tomorrow, how long could you survive without another paycheck? 1 month? 3 months? 6 months? Or would you be reaching for your credit card by next week? For years, people were told that saving 3 to 6 months of expenses was enough. But today's economy looks very different. Longer hiring cycles, higher living costs, and economic uncertainty have changed the picture. Today, we'll explore why many people are choosing to aim for a larger emergency fund, how you can build one without earning a huge salary, and why this simple habit could become the smartest financial decision you ever make. 20 years ago, finding another job was often much faster. Housing was more affordable, groceries were cheaper, healthcare cost less. Life wasn't easy, but recovering from losing a job was often simpler. Now look around. Rent has increased in many cities. Food costs have climbed. Insurance costs more. Unexpected expenses seem to happen every month. And one of the biggest changes? Companies can reduce staff with very little warning. One meeting, one email, one phone call, and suddenly your income disappears. The problem isn't just losing your job. The problem is how long it might take to replace it. Some professionals spend 6 months, 9 months, even a year before finding another opportunity that matches their experience. Let's meet David. He's 34 years old. He earns a decent salary. Friends think he's doing well. He drives a nice SUV, lives in a modern apartment, takes vacations every year. But there's one problem. He spends almost everything he earns. Every paycheck has a destination before it even arrives. Rent, car payment, subscriptions, dining out, credit cards, vacation payments. Then, one Friday afternoon, his company announces layoffs. David receives 2 weeks of severance pay. At first, he isn't worried. He has some money saved. But after 6 weeks, the interviews slow down. His savings shrink. Soon, he starts using credit cards to cover groceries. A few months later, his debt is growing faster than his savings ever did. David didn't fail because he was lazy. He failed because he had no financial cushion. Emily works in the same city. She earns about the same salary, but she lives differently. She drives a reliable used car. She cooks most meals at home. She avoids lifestyle upgrades every time she gets a raise. Every month she saves money before spending. It isn't exciting. It isn't glamorous. But after several years, she has 12 months of living expenses saved. Then her company also announces layoffs. Same day, same situation. But Emily reacts differently. She doesn't panic. She updates her resume, learns a new software skill, applies carefully instead of desperately, negotiates confidently during interviews. 6 months later, she accepts a better job with higher pay. The difference between David and Emily wasn't intelligence. It wasn't luck. It was preparation. Having 12 months of savings doesn't just protect your bank account. It protects your decisions. When people run out of money, fear takes over. Fear makes people accept jobs they hate. Fear causes expensive debt. Fear destroys confidence. But savings create options. You can wait for the right opportunity. You can relocate if necessary. You can learn new skills. You can negotiate salary. You can protect your mental health. Money cannot buy happiness, but it can buy time. And sometimes, time is exactly what you need. Now you might be thinking, I can't save 12 months of expenses. That's okay. Don't start with 12, start with 1. 1 month becomes 2. 2 becomes 3. 3 becomes 6. Eventually, you'll reach your goal. Here's a simple strategy. First, know exactly how much money you need each month for essentials. Housing, food, transportation, insurance, utilities. Not vacations, not luxury shopping, just the basics. Multiply that number by 12. Now you know your target. Next, automate your savings. Treat savings like a monthly bill. Pay yourself first. even if it's only $50. Consistency beats intensity. Increase your income whenever possible. Ask for a raise. Learn a valuable skill. Take on freelance work. Sell unused items. Every extra dollar can move you closer to financial security. Your emergency fund has one job: to be there when you truly need it. That means it should stay somewhere that's safe and easy to access. It isn't meant to chase high returns. It's meant to provide stability. Think of it like a seatbelt. You don't wear a seatbelt because you expect an accident. You wear it because you know accidents can happen. Your emergency fund works the same way. You hope you never need it, but if life changes suddenly, you'll be grateful it's there. The biggest mistake isn't spending money on something fun once in a while. The biggest mistake is increasing your lifestyle every time your income grows. You get a raise, you buy a bigger car, you move into a more expensive apartment, you upgrade your phone, you add more subscriptions. You're earning more than ever, but saving less than ever. That's called lifestyle inflation, and it quietly steals your future. Instead, when your income increases, let your savings increase too. Your future self will thank you. Life is unpredictable. Jobs change, companies change, economies change. But one thing never changes. Preparation beats panic. Building a 12-month emergency fund won't make you rich overnight. It won't guarantee that bad things never happen. But it can give you something that money alone can't always buy: peace of mind. The confidence to say no to bad opportunities, the freedom to make better decisions, and the ability to face uncertainty without fear. So start today, not next month, not next year. Even if it's just a small amount. Because one day, your future self may look back and realize that the money you chose not to spend became the reason you stayed financially secure. Remember, wealth isn't built in one big moment. It's built through small, consistent decisions made over time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.